Beautiful. Again, welcome to Costa Rica. My name is Ariel. I will be your tour guide today. And I would like to introduce our captain today. His name is Charlie.
Charlie.
Today, we are in Costa Rica, my friends. Coffee is a big deal here, so we are going to be talking about coffee, of course. Puntarenas, this name, it will be something like sandy point or sand point. Why is that? Well, my friends, we will see it in just a couple of minutes. We have the Pacific Ocean on this side, and on that other side, we have a river. I'm not sure if we can see it now. Yes, we can. So, yes, we have a river right here and the ocean over here. So, this is just a string of land, basically.
Get it when you get back.
An easy walk. We have no rush to finish. So let's proceed. Hopefully, the idea is to try to spot some animals and to enjoy this area.
Yeah, right behind you.
This river is called Tárcoles. Puntarenas, your ship is going to be at the back. And this river is called Tárcoles, and all the area is known as Carrara National Park. So this property is right next to the national park.
The termite nest.
Termite nest, that big black block.
Look here.
Okay, we made it. There's the medical emergency.
Hello.
Flying around, those are seeds. There's one tree.
Oh, cotton. See cotton.
Contact the phone.
Bomba number 5. No, bridge number 2.
Each bridge has got different characteristics.
Yeah.
This one, for example, is 20 people max.
Oh, okay.
Here.
What do you
Okay.
mean? So who's number 20?
Now it's dry season. There's no creek for now.
I guess there's few animals because there's no water, right?
Well,
They all
yeah.
need water.
Very old, so they get to be like little trees. I'm referring to this one, for example. It's vines, basically.
Wow.
And it's very old, so it gets to be like that.
There must be monkeys in here that can come down those. We
Yes.
don't see any.
Sometimes we get to see them. Must have taken the day off today.
Does this part of Costa Rica have?
Long way 45 minutes, 3 bridges. Short way 15 minutes, 1 bridge, I think.
The long way will be that way, and this is the short way. You need to get out of the snow. I'm with him. Charlie will be right. Just follow this way. Charlie will be right there.
But she might not know that's a bird too. That's a different story.
Short way. One idea. You can join us. Crossing the bridge, and come back and go through here. Charlie will be there waiting for you. For the ones who want to take the short way. If for those who want to take the long way, we will proceed here, and you can follow me. Make sense? Yeah.
Hello. Third bridge, come. Here. The sun. Okay. Ayo. Go ahead. Go ahead.
The natural predators are going to be mostly slots live mostly on the trees. They are usually hanging from the trees.
Meron.
Oh yeah, I don't know. Very strong smell.
Bridge number 5. Bridge number 5. Okay.